The thing about FSC that makes it stand out, there's a number of things. One is that it's actually a performance-based system. It measures what's happening in the field and what actually happens on the ground or in the mill. Some of the other certification systems, they're more process-oriented. So if you have this process in place, you can check the box. If you have that process in place, you can check the box. FSC isn't just a process-oriented. It's what's actually happening in the field. How are those trees being cut? How are they being milled and processed? So probably, in my view, the most important thing that makes it a cut above is that it is performance-oriented. It's talking about what actually happens in the field. And not the other systems are much more process-oriented. Now, the other thing about FSC is this breadth of factors that it covers. So you have these chambers, the social, the economic, the different community-based consultation chambers, environmental. And if you're looking at an FSC certified product, you know that the soil was protected, that wildlife habitat was protected, that genetically modified trees weren't used in terms of replanting the area. And you also know that the local communities were consulted and involved and talked about this forest that was going to be cut. You know that Aboriginal rights were respected. So all these, what are called different chambers, are really just different aspects that are brought to bear on the forest harvesting part of the whole forestry process. Again, that's unique to FSC, and it's your quality assurance that that these factors have been addressed. The whole thing is based on the principle that people do care about these things, and they would like to be assured that these different things have been met. So the second thing that makes FSC unique, and this is what you often hear about it, is these different chambers and these different factors that are brought to bear. The third thing that makes it unique is it's the only system that actually is approved by and signed off on by all the non-government organizations. There are other certification systems, but this is the one. It is really the toughest one. It's the highest quality one, performance-oriented, not process-oriented, and therefore it's the one that enjoys the support of non-government organizations.